Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, Settlemate Class Action Claims App Review. So you might be wondering what is Settlemate here that you may be hearing online. So Settlemate here is a mobile app designed to help people find and file claims for class action settlements, product recalls, price drop refunds, and other consumer compensation programs. Now, according to the official website here, the app scans your information to identify settlements you may qualify for, then guide you through the claim process without requiring you to understand legal paperwork or hire a lawyer. Now, the goal is to make it easier to discover money that consumers may otherwise overlook. Now, the app offers several features to simplify the process. So, after creating an account here, you can answer a few questions about your purchase and services or connect your email so the app can automatically scan receipts for eligible claims. Now, Settlement here can also notify you when new class action settlements become available, track the progress of claims you've submitted, monitor product recalls, and even look for price drops refund opportunities. Now, if a claim is supported inside the app, it can help pre-fill forms to reduce the amount of information you need to enter manually. Now, getting started here is quite simple. So you just need to download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store, then sign in using Apple or your Google account. After completing the initial setup here, you can answer the eligibility questions and optionally allow the app to scan your email receipts. Now, the app then displays settlements that match your profile, and when you find one you're eligible for, follow the on-screen instructions to complete and submit the claim. Now, some claims here can be filed directly within the app, while others redirect you to the official settlement administrator's website to finish the process. Now, the app also lets you monitor claim status, filing the deadlines, and expected payout updates from your dashboard. Now, Settlement here is free to download, but most of its features requires a subscription. Now, according to the official pricing page here, the service costs around $15.99 per month, or about $3.33 per month when billed annually. Now, App Store and Google Play listing may show slightly different subscription prices depending on your platform or region, so it's worth checking your device before subscribing. Now, one important thing to understand is that filing a class action claim itself is generally free. So Settlemate subscriptions pay for the convenience of automatically finding potential claims, matching you with eligible settlements, and tracking deadlines, and organizing the filing process. Now, many of the actual claim forms are still handled by the official settlement administrators, which is why some claims open in an external website rather than inside the app. So just keep that in mind. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.